Today's recipe, ladies and gentlemen, is a recipe of a curry. Mind you, not a curry. And the name you may ask, it's extremely intriguing. It is a Vietnamese sweet potato curry. The word curry is loosely inspired from the Indian word curry. Now trust me, there's nothing called an Indian curry. It was actually the British that saw the bada khana or the large tables in India and then created this term called curry. At this point in time, it could be a subject of a lot of debate, but that's what it is. How did it land into Vietnam? More on that later. Before that, let's begin with the curry. Let's turn the flame on and begin with coconut oil. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with sliced onions. Immediately to this, crushed ginger and garlic. I'm adding in 2 bird's eye chilies because that's kind of my favorite. And along with this, banana peppers, red. Whack the flame on a complete high to ensure the onions begin to saute and turn translucent. Without the onions changing any color, let's add in some coconut milk, of course reserving a large part of it. And to this, 2 cups full of water. Into this, a sprig or a bundle of lemongrass. And before this kind of begins to boil, let's also add in sweet potatoes, washed, cleaned, peeled and diced. And before we stir all of this together, a touch of light soy sauce. Now this of course is for that wonderful umami. Allow this to simmer on medium flame for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Or till the sweet potato is perfectly cooked. While the sweet potatoes are now cooking, let me quickly continue my story. Now, how did the French kind of take this and how did this land into Vietnam is very interesting. The French colonized India in the 18th century, parts of it, and eventually when they had a colonial project in Vietnam, a lot of Indians, a lot of Tamilians, of course from the French colonies of Pondicherry and Karikal, they landed in Saigon, they landed in the Mekong, Chulong for trade and job opportunities. Now the word curry kind of traveled with them to Vietnam and eventually also the influence of coconut oil and coconut milk. Interesting, isn't it? Time to add in Madras Curry Powder. Along with this, some baby carrots, salt and basil. A quick stir. And now let's allow this to cook. The sweet potato is now kind of perfectly cooked and time to lower the flame because the more it cooks, it'll get sluggish, it'll get thicker because of the starch in the sweet potatoes. And finally, we're going to add in the remaining amount of the coconut milk or cream, depending on the consistency, the sweetness that you personally desire. But before this goes in, let me quickly tell you about the Madras curry powder that I've used in this recipe. Now the difference between a Thai curry and a Vietnamese curry is very simple. It's the difference in the spicing. The Thai curry uses a Thai curry paste and this one categorically has the Madras curry powder. Now in case you cannot lead your hands on a Madras curry powder, it's very simple. It's a combination of coriander, turmeric, specifically in this also a dosage of red chili powder and black cardamom for that wonderful smokiness. Time to add in the coconut milk. A quick stir, and with this, of course, the flame. Oof! Tasty, creamy, naturally sweet with the sweetness of course, sweet potatoes and coconut cream. Savory, umami, just a perfect meal. With this, a Vietnamese sweet potato curry is done and ready, and this, trust me, goes amazingly well with a crusty Vietnamese bread called banh mi. Well, banh mi is inspired from the French word baguette, and banh mi also happens to be a sandwich with sweet and savory kind of fillings. Also, in case you cannot lay your hands on that, a nice crusty Indian bread would also serve well, and also undoubtedly steamed rice. Also, before I kind of sign off, there are a lot of terminologies that I've kind of thrown at you today. Interesting, right? Let me continue more on that. This is me, like I said, Varun signing off. Bye for now.